इजी लगता है क्या?
फॉरेन कंट्री जाके पढ़ना इजी नहीं है, ये एक आर्ट है, आर्ट। Hello people, this is Hadia and you have just tuned into the very first episode of How Do I, the most unfiltered, no brochure podcast by GD Connect.
And this is Malti. We are here to spill the tea on studying abroad. No ads, no agents, just real talk from people who have seen students prep, panic, and finally board that plane.
Yeah, disclaimer, हम दोनों अभी तक खुद स्टडी अब्रॉड करने नहीं गए हैं, but we have successfully helped hundreds of students prep. We've been behind the scenes for years, talking to them, alumni, admission reps, visa consultants. Trust me, we've heard it all.
Yeah, and today we are answering how do I know if I'm actually ready to study abroad? Not just on paper, but in actual reality.
Segment 1, Dream versus Reality. Guys, imagine your dream university acceptance email is in your inbox and we are manifesting that for you. And you're binging campus vlogs, you're dreaming of aesthetic cafes and college lawns, and you're just chilling there with your friends.
And then you're finally there, but suddenly reality hits. Grocery bills in dollars, pounds, or euro. Cooking in tiny shared kitchens and Googling whether spinach is palak.
Yeah.
Spoiler, yes, it is, but dhania and pudina always complicate the game.
Yeah. I mean, I remember a student once asked me, renter's insurance लेना ज़रूरी है क्या? या एक extra expense है? And I kept thinking, this is adulting 101. I mean, pro tip for all you guys, that's what I told him. Keys बहुत ज़रूरी है, always get it, even if it's for short-term rental abroad.
Exactly. And do you know what? Another student told me that they cried at a laundromat because they didn't know how to use the machine. Glossy college brochures don't show that part. But your university abroad might have YouTube guides or student orientation session for this. So, do your research and
Right. I mean, guys, abroad now, it's not just about your classes there. It's your bills, your new flatmates, buses, slag, and just basically cooking your khana without burning the only pan you have there.
yeah, this is what we were exactly talking about. So, before you flex on LinkedIn, ask yourself, am I ready for the grind behind the glam or do I need to prepare better?
Segment 2, the emotional curve. Now guys, let's talk about the feels, because abroad का जो emotional roller coaster है ना, it hits hard, especially for a student.
Yeah, and homesickness, it is real. Now imagine celebrating Diwali on Zoom, reheating frozen samosas. Ouch.
Or just missing Holi so much that you might cry in your dorm while blasting Rang Barse.
And there's identity shift too. Suddenly, you are the international kid. Slangs fly over your head, classes feel super fast, and it feels like everyone's referencing shows you have never watched.
Yeah, and also don't forget about the time zones. Your best friend's breakup brand might land at 3 a.m. and your emotional support, it could be delayed.
Yeah, that's kind of sad, and some students have spoken to me about it, and that is why I tell all the students I talk to that mental health matters. University pressure plus finances plus loneliness is a tough combo to deal with, and trust me, we understand.
Yeah, but don't be scared, guys. The glow up comes. Adjustments take time, but you'll get there. We can assure you that.
Yeah, segment 3, 2025 Study Abroad Pulse Check. Now, it's time for a quick reality check because your 2025 study abroad experience will not be the same as a cousin's study abroad experience back in 2020.
I completely agree. I mean, let's start with Canada. The rejection rate for Indian student study permit applications in 2025 has soared to 52%, meaning just half of the dreamers are getting the green light. And even if they get that, the postgraduate work permit rules are so stricter. Work permits can't be guaranteed anymore.
Coming to UK, it is still solid for studying business and law, and also the acceptance rate for Indian students in 2025 is around 95 to 96%. But bringing dependents, it has become much tougher.
Yeah, and coming to US, my god, it is like landing a shot in the dark. Always a roller coaster. It It is great for STEM, but OPT job hunting is so competitive. So remember, networking will always trump GPA. Notice what I did there?
And then there's Australia having great weather, part-time jobs, but the visa fee has increased to rupees 1.1 lakh, which is, I guess, the most expensive student visa in the world right now.
Yeah, it is. Other meanwhile, Germany, Italy, Spain, Korea, Japan, China, these are much underrated and are comparatively budget friendly too. Fun fact, QS ने Seoul, Korea को number 1 and Tokyo, Japan number 2 rank किया है for best student cities 2026, beating cities like London and Melbourne.
Wow. So here's the deal. Don't plan on using outdated YouTube advice. Get updated info, real stories, and expert guidance.
Self-promotion. GD Connect is literally that one-stop space. Alumni? Check. Peers? Check. Experts? Check. Bright future? Bright check.
Yeah, what's next? If you vibe with this episode, stay tuned. Episode 2 is How do I handle culture shock abroad without freaking out?
Yeah, new country, new food, new festivals, new awkward. Wait, what has happened? These moments.
Yeah, we'll talk about homesickness, finding new friends abroad. This was episode 1. You have officially checked in. अब टेक ऑफ की तैयारी शुरू है.
See you in episode 2.
Bye bye.